Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best brake line flaring tools that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, having the right flaring tool can make all the difference. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have the Seek Self Professional Brake Line Flaring Toolkit. This tool is designed to create 45-degree single, double, and bubble flares, making it a versatile choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. It works with a variety of tubing materials, including stainless steel, and softer metals like copper. The kit includes 4 die blocks for different tubing sizes, ensuring adaptability for various projects. The standout feature here is its robust build quality. Made of high-quality steel, the tool feels durable and stable in use. However, it's worth noting that this tool is designed for vise mounting only, which means you'll need a sturdy bench setup to use it effectively. The included instruction manual is clear and helpful, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Safety is a priority with this tool, as Seek Self recommends using gloves and goggles to prevent debris-related injuries. While the Seek Self kit is a solid choice for professional use, it's not without its drawbacks. The design, requiring a vise, makes it less portable and unsuitable for undercar use. Additionally, the price is currently unavailable, which may make it harder for budget-conscious buyers to make an informed decision. Overall, this is a solid option for those who need a reliable, workshop-based tool for a variety of flaring tasks. Coming in at number 4, we have the Lisle Professional Brake Line Flaring Toolkit. This tool excels in versatility, offering the ability to create 45-degree single, double, and bubble flares. It works with a wide range of tubing sizes and materials, including soft metals like aluminum and copper, as well as 304 stainless steel and steel tubing. This makes it a fantastic option for brake lines, fuel lines, and transmission cooler lines. The build quality is impressive, with heat-treated, oxidized steel construction that ensures durability and resistance to damage. The T-handle screw clamp holds the die and tubing securely, allowing for stable and precise flares. However, like other vise-mounted models, this tool is limited to bench use, which might not suit those looking for a portable option. While the Lisle kit is highly functional, it does come with a steeper learning curve. Beginners may need to spend extra time familiarizing themselves with its operation, especially when it comes to deburring and applying anti-seize for optimal results. Additionally, the price is not readily available, which may deter price-sensitive buyers. Overall, this kit is a great pick for those who prioritize versatility and durability, especially for workshop-based projects. At number 3, we have another excellent option from Seek Self, the Brake Line Flaring Toolkit with a tubing cutter included. This kit offers the same versatility as its sibling product, allowing you to create 45-degree single, double, and bubble flares on various tubing materials, including steel, stainless steel, and copper. The inclusion of a high-quality tubing cutter sets this kit apart, making it a more comprehensive solution for brake line projects. The design is user-friendly, featuring split dies with a limiting hole to prevent slipping and ensure precision. The long lever handle makes the tool easier to operate, especially for right-handed users. Like other Seek Self products, this tool is built to last, with high-quality steel construction and a focus on stability. However, it's strictly designed for vise mounting, so it's best suited for workshop environments. The added value of the tubing cutter makes this kit a strong contender, but there are a few drawbacks to consider. Its vise-only design limits portability, and the price remains unavailable, which may be a hurdle for some buyers. Overall, this kit is perfect for professionals and serious DIYers looking for a durable, all-in-one solution for brake line work. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Lisle 33260 Flaring Tool. This premium option is designed to create single or double flares on 3/16 and 1/4 inch tubing, making it a specialized tool for precision work. The low-profile design allows for use in tight spaces, which is a major advantage for undercar applications. The vise assembly holds the tubing centered securely without marring, ensuring consistent results every time. The Lisle 33-260 stands out for its attention to detail. The depth stop ensures proper tubing length, which is a crucial feature for achieving accurate flares. At just 1.79 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, yet it doesn't compromise on durability. The tool is well suited for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable, high-quality flaring tool. The biggest downside here is the price. The Lisle 33-260 stands out for its attention to detail. The depth stop ensures proper tubing length, which is a crucial feature for achieving accurate flares. At just 1.79 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, yet it doesn't compromise on durability. The tool is well suited for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable, high-quality flaring tool. The biggest downside here is the price, which at $67.78 makes it the most expensive option on our list. However, if you're looking for a compact, high-performance tool that delivers professional-grade results, the Lisle 33-260 is worth the investment. It's ideal for those who need a tool that can handle tight spaces and deliver precise, repeatable results. Finally, at number 1, we have the Capri Tools 3/16" double flaring tool, CP21110-316. This compact and portable tool is a game changer for anyone working on brake lines, especially in tight spaces. It's designed to create high-quality 45-degree SAE double flares on 3/16" tubing, including non-stainless steel, nickel, and copper materials. The detachable die adds versatility, allowing you to use the tool both on and off the vehicle. What sets the Capri Tools flaring tool apart is its simplicity and efficiency. With just a 10mm and 17mm wrench, you can get the job done in half the time compared to other tools. The alloy steel construction ensures durability, and the lifetime warranty provides peace of mind. Despite its lightweight design at just 12.8 ounces, this tool delivers professional-grade results, making it a top choice for both beginners and seasoned mechanics. Priced at $46.99, the Capri Tools flaring tool offers incredible value for money. Its compact design, ease of use, and high-quality construction make it the best option for most users. The only limitation is that it's specifically designed for 3/16" tubing, which may not suit those needing a multi-size tool. However, if you're looking for the perfect combination of affordability, performance, and portability, this is the tool to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.